Alright guys, welcome to the Foundry project for the Paladin GT short. For this particular Foundry project, you'll notice the status bar has a minimum bar noted in it. So there is a minimum that we need to hit for this particular project. Once the status bar crosses that threshold, you'll notice the bar will turn green. That's to denote that we have met the factory minimums and that this will go into production. Now, that's not to say that, let's say we get close to that minimum bar, but we don't quite cross it, that we wouldn't go into production. That's a decision we'll make, and we'll reach out to everyone and let them know if we are or aren't going to have it go into production. But we feel pretty confident that we will hit the minimums for this project and that it's going to go well. So without further ado, let's jump into the product. All right guys, so let's go over the Paladin GT short. These are meant to be kind of a multi-purpose functional fitness training short. So you'll notice that they're not too long, they're not too short, they don't have the slits in them like weightlifting shorts do. We wanted them to cover all the bases. So they are made of our GT fabric, which is a 4-way stretch. It's a 93% nylon and 7% elastane, so you're going to have some really great stretch in there. So if you are to do something like weightlifting or a high intensity workout or something like that, they will move with you. Conversely, if you wanted to use them as running short, they're super lightweight short, so you could go running in them. But again, they're kind of a generalized functional fitness type short. So not purpose-built for running, not purpose-built for weightlifting, but good across the board. They also would double great as a bathing suit or swim trunks or something like that if your workout for that particular day was to go swimming or something like that. To just go over the quick features and benefits, the entire shorts, even the two-tone parts, are that GT fabric, which is that, again, 93% nylon, 7% elastane. They stretch exceptionally well. They dry extremely fast. You have one pocket on the right side. You'll notice that it's a zipper with a zipper pull, but we allowed for that zipper pull to be taken off. So if you didn't want that flopping around, if you were to do weightlifting or running or something like that, you can easily remove that. You have a small little zipper garage here, so just a nice, decent sized pocket. Something for an ID, loose cash, maybe a key or two. You don't want to put too much in there because it will weight them down. You do have one little elastic loop here with some stretch, so again you can attach your keys or whatnot. And then the back of that pocket has this vented material here, so if you do want to run with that pocket open, you can get some airflow there. Conversely, if you were to go swimming in these, it would drain very easily. Moving to the waistline, you have a very simple drawstring here in the front, and then a soft fleece-lined waistband that has a tremendous amount of stretch. It's important to note this stretch because we will be offering these in our standard waistline sizes, but if you find yourself between sizes, so for example, let's say you are a 31-inch waist, so you fit kind of between the 30 and the 32, you may want to go with a 30 and utilize some of that stretch to fit into them. Conversely, if you're on the bigger side of 32, but you're not quite a 34, you may want to stick with these, or if you're on the smaller side of 34, you may want to go with a 32, because as we displayed, there's a tremendous amount of stretch in the waistline here. Going to the reverse side, there are no back pockets, there are no side pockets. Again, these are meant for generalized fitness training, so we wanted to minimize the design. We didn't want to overthink it, but we wanted it to be a real technical fabric. I wanted it to be something incredibly lightweight, just to show you kind of how lightweight these are. You can roll them up, fold them, and cram them up, so you can fit them in the palm of your hand and really just fit these just about anywhere. So they go into any of our packs nice and compact. You could pair it with our Mercury Tech Tee and have an incredible outfit for just about any type of physical activity you may want to be doing in the fitness realm.